Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Force. Okay, now security cameras are becoming more and more popular, smarter and cheaper. So today we're going to be taking a look at one of the cheapest yet high quality security cameras out there, costing only £25. The TP-Link Tapo Security Camera is by far the best security camera I have ever seen for such a low price. With features such as night vision, 360-degree rotation, 1080p Full HD video recording, and also compatibility with Alexa and Google Home, this security camera has completely blown me away. So if you want to find out more, stay tuned. Okay, so let's begin with what we get inside the box. So TP-Link have given us the Tapo C200 camera itself, a DC power adapter, mounting screws, a mounting template, a camera base, which is used to mount the camera, and then lastly, the quick start guide. So for £25, we've been supplied with almost everything we need to get up and running. The only thing missing is a micro SD card, which generally doesn't come with most security cameras and can be picked up for only a few quid extra, which means the overall cost will be about £30, which is still a very good price. Okay, so in terms of setting up the camera, it was actually very simple. You just have to install the Tapo app, which is available on both the App Store and Google Play Store, then plug the camera in and launch the app, where you can follow the steps to connect to the camera and set it all up. For me, this took only a few minutes and only needs to be done once during the initial setup, which is quick and easy. Now when it comes to mounting the camera, TP-Link have made this very easy and have supplied everything you need for this, apart from of course the drill. They have actually supplied a small sticker as well, which helps you to position the distance between the two holes perfectly for the base plate to be easily screwed in. And using this sticker, all you have to do is drill in a couple holes and then insert the mounting screws and then attach the camera on. It's very simple and very easy to follow. Okay, now once the whole setup process has been completed, you're ready to go and the camera will begin recording right away and storing it on the micro SD card. In terms of video quality, the Tapo C200 camera is very good. It's able to record in 1080p Full HD during both day and night to get perfect footage of your house. I was very surprised at just how good the camera quality was. For only £25, it can record perfectly clear footage in any lighting situation for you to make out any objects within the field of view. And all this footage is saved onto the micro SD card, and the Tapo camera can support up to a 128GB micro SD card. But I actually use a 32GB one, which works just as well and holds the footage across several days before having to overwrite it. So for roughly £5, you can pick up a 32GB micro SD card, which works very well and honestly isn't actually needed, as a 16GB one would work just as well and should cost a few quid less. Now you're probably wondering how you would view the footage from a while back, as taking out the SD card and scouring through it would be too much of a hassle. So through the app there's actually a section called Playback and Memory, where you can search through the video memory and access all of the video stored on the memory card. Now the memory card only actually stores footage when there's motion detected, so you can't view video during any other times directly from the app, but this doesn't matter as you'd only want to view video when there is motion. The camera is also very good at detecting motion, and I haven't actually seen an instance where it has missed any motion. Now, as well as video playback, the app does so much more. You're able to control the panning of the camera, making it move horizontally as well as vertically, to properly adjust the shot. You're also able to conduct two-way voice calls where you can talk to someone at home and they can talk back to you. Then you also have privacy mode, where the camera can be deactivated when you want to do something in private. And then you have an alarm which can be activated to scare away any intruders if they're spotted on camera. And lastly, you have the ability to set up multiple Tapo cameras and view the different angles through the app. Okay, now that's essentially all of the awesome features of the Tapo camera. But what is it actually lacking? So during my use, I found that this camera was unable to record through Windows at night. all you would see is the reflection of the window pane, which isn't great and couldn't be fixed. So in terms of using it as an outdoor camera, this isn't really a possibility, as it isn't waterproof at all and only really suited for indoor use. Therefore, if you're looking for an outdoor security camera, then this isn't a great product for you. But if you're looking for a camera which could maybe sit in your porch and detect passing motion, or sit in your living room and monitor the movement of any pets, then this camera would definitely be suited for you. So at £25, the Tapo C200 camera has tons of amazing features and can be useful as a security camera or a pet camera. It's able to record very high quality footage during both day and night, which isn't something you see with all security cameras at this price point. So the TP Tapo camera is certainly the best camera for its price. Now if you like this camera, go down to the description below and click on the link and take a look at it. And whilst you're there, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and goodbye.